हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड, जी पैट रिविंग क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज का जो एमसीक्यू है वो सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम से, और ये पार्ट 5 है। पार्ट 4 और पार्ट 3 है। पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 1 जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं पार्ट 5। 81 क्वेश्चन नंबर। व्हेन यूज्ड विथ इथेनॉल द फ्लोइंग कंपाउंड प्रोड्यूस अ मिल्की फिन। ए ग्लूटाथेमाइड, बी पर अल्डिहाइड, सी क्लोरल hydrate, and D meprobamate. Which one answer? The answer is C chlorhydrate. ये क्या होता है? Is a geminal diol with the formula C2H3Cl3CO2. It is a colorless solid. It has limited use as a sedative and hypnotic pharmaceutical drug. That is called chloral hydrate. Okay. Next is 82 question number. Which of the phenothiazine have least extra pyramidal effect? A chlorpromazine, B flufenazine, and C thioridazine, and D prochlorpiprazine. Sorry, pyrazine. Which one answer? The answer is C thioridazine. ये क्या होता है? Is a first generation antipsychotic drug belonging to the phenothiazine drug group and was previously widely used in the treatment of schizophrenia and psychosis. Okay. Next is 83 question number. Spina bifida is associated with the material use of A phentoin, B carbamazepine, C sodium valproate, and D all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is C sodium valproate. ये क्या होता है? इज यूज टू ट्रीट एपिलेप्सी को यूज कर एपिलेप्सी में ये ट्रीट करता है कि कौन सा? सोडियम वाल्प्रोएट एंड बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर. इट occasionally used to prevent migraine headaches. This medicine is only available on prescription. It comes as a capsule, tablet, liquid that you swallow. It also comes the granules that you mix with food or drink. That is sodium valproate. Okay. Next is 84 question number. Which one of the following H1 receptor antagonist is sedative? A levocetirizine, B loratadine, C fexofenadine, and D doxylamine. Which one answer? The answer is D doxylamine. ये क्या होता है? Is an antihistamine used to relieve symptoms of allergy, high fever, and common cold. This medication work by blocking certain natural substance histamine acetylcholine that your body makes. This effect help to relieve allergy, cold symptoms such as watery eye, runny nose, and sneezing. Okay. Next is 85 question number. Photodermatitis is seen with A phenothiazine, B alcohol, C nicotine, and D all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is A phenothiazine. ये क्या होता है? Is a neuroleptic agent that affect a variety of receptor including dopaminergic receptor sites. Chlorpromazine was the first of the phenothiazine used clinically as an antipsychotics. That is called phenothiazine. Okay. Next is 86 question number. Hypnotics used in a pediatric patient is A methylpyrrolone, B meprobamate, and C peraldehyde, and D etomidate. Which one answer? The answer is B meprobamate. ये क्या होता है? Is a sedative used for anxiety and insomnia. First made available in the, जब बना था ये कब अवेलेबल था? 1950s में. When it become very popular, ये फिर पॉपुलर हुआ था. बट लेकिन which is a now rarely used. Meprobamate therapy was not associated with a liver enzyme elevation and has not been linked to instance of clinically apparent liver injury. That is called meprobamate. Okay. ये किस में यूज़ होता है? सिडेटिव किस में यूज़ होता है? एंजाइटी में, इस्नोमिया में. ओके. और कब अवेलेबल हुआ था? 1950s में. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 87 क्वेश्चन नंबर. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ कॉलकाइन which is clinically used for gout is inhibiting uric acid synthesis, B is increasing uric acid excretion, and C is increasing uric acid synthesis, and D is reducing leukocyte migraine in the joints. Which one answer? The answer is D. Reducing leukocytes migration into joint. Okay. Next is 88 question number. An anticholinergic drug used in Parkinson is a naloxone, B. Benztropine, and C. Levodopa, and D. mm, physostigmine. Which one answer? The answer is B. Benztropine. ये क्या होता है? Belongs classes of medication called anticholinergics that works by blocking the certain natural substance. ये किस चीज़ को ब्लॉक करता है? certain natural substance को, जैसे में acetylcholine. Okay. Next is 89 question number. Infliximab is used as A. Anti-cytokines agent, B. Crohn's disease, and C. Psoriatic arthropathy, and D is all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is all of the above, D. And first is anti-cytokine agent. ये क्या होता है? Targeting the interleukin signal pathway for the treatment of एथ्रोथ्रोम्बोसिस. ये किस चीज़ को ट्रीट करता है? एथ्रोथ्रोम्बोसिस को. कौन ट्रीटमेंट करता है? एंटी साइटोकाइन एजेंट. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज बी. ये क्रॉन्स डिजीज़ क्या होता है? क्रॉन्स डिजीज़ ये इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ इन्फ्लामेटरी बॉल्स होता है. इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म IBD होता है. इट कॉज इन्फ्लामेशन ऑफ योर डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट. डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट में इन्फ्लामेशन होता है, यानी कि फूलता है, विच can lead to abdominal pain, severe diarrhea and fatigue, and weight loss and malnutrition. Inflammation caused by Crohn's disease can involve different areas of the digestive tract in the different peoples. Okay. Psoriatic arthritis इसमें क्या होता है? Is a form of arthritis that affects some people who have the psoriasis, a condition that feature रेड पैचेस ऑफ स्किन पे रेड पैचेस आ जाते हैं, टॉप्ड विथ सलाइवरी स्केल्स. मोस्ट पीपल डेवलप्ड सोरेसिस फर्स्ट एंड आर लेटर डायग्नोस्ड विथ psoriatic arthritis, but the joint problem can be sometimes begin before the skin patches appears. Okay. Next is 90 question number. Which of the following drug is used in a hypertensive patients for the diagnosis of pheochromocytoma? A. Reserpine, B. Guanethidine, C. Clonidine, and D. Methyl-dopa. Which one answer? The answer is C. Clonidine. ये क्या होता है? इज अ ट्रीटमेंट ट्रीट्स हाई ब्लड प्रेशर. किस चीज़ को ट्रीट करता है? हाई ब्लड प्रेशर को, बाय डिक्रीजिंग योर हार्ट रेट एंड रिलैक्सिंग द ब्लड वेसल सो दैट कैन फ्लो मोर इजली थ्रू द बॉडी. Clonidine extended release tablet may treat ADHD, that means attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. Okay, by affecting the part of the brain that control attention and impulsivity, that is called clonidine. Okay. Next is 91 question number. The most of the specific agent for treatment of the petit mal epilepsy is A. Pyrimidine, B. Phantoin, C. Gabapentin, and D. Ethosuximide. Which one answer? The answer is A. Pyrimidone. ये क्या होता है? Sold under the various brand name, is a barbiturate medication that used to treat the partial generalized seizure. किस चीज़ को? partial generalized seizure को ट्रीट करता है, as well as the essential tremors. It is taken by mouth. किससे लेते हैं? माउथ से. सम साइड इफेक्ट जो होता है इंक्लूड स्लीपीनेस, सोने जैसा लगेगा, पुअर कंडीशन, नोजिया, लॉस ऑफ एपिटेट. ओके, दैट इज प्रेमिडॉन. ओके इफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज 92 क्वेश्चन नंबर. रिकॉग्नाइजेशन साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द लिथियम कार्बोनेट इज A. Proximal tubular degeneration, B. Hypomagnesemia, and C. Polyuria and polydipsia, and D. Hyperchloremia. Which one answer? The answer is A. proximal tubular degeneration. Okay, next is 93 question number. The appropriate antidote in the treatment of pentazoin overdose is A. Nalorphin, B. Leva levalorphin, and C. Naloxone, and D all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is D all of the above. ये nalorphin क्या होता है? Is a morphine alcohol norphin. Nalorphin is a mixed opioid agonist antagonist. It acts two opioid receptor at the mu receptor. It has antagonistic effect, and the kappa receptor is exert high efficacy and agonistic characteristics. Okay, next is 94 question. Sorry, B. Levalloorphan. ये इज अ morphine alkaloid है, an opioid antagonist with the properties similar to those of a naloxone. In addition of it is also possess some agonist properties. Then third is naloxone. ये क्या होता है? This medication is used for the emergency treatment of non-associated opioid overdose. Serious overdose symptoms may include unusual sleepiness, unless difficulty waking up, or breathing problem, ranging the slow or slower breathing to no breathing. Okay. Next is 894 question number. Pharmacological agent who has the potential to cause increased biliary pressure is A. Morphine, B. is warfarin, C. is phenytoin, and D. is acetazolamide. Which one answer? The answer is D. acetazolamide. ये क्या होता है? Sold under the trade name of Diamox. ट्रेड नेम क्या है? Diamox among others, या कोई भी अदर भी. Is a medication used to treat glaucoma. ये ग्लाकोमा का ट्रीट करता है, एपिलेप्सी को ट्रीट करता है, अल्टीट्यूड सिकनेस को ट्रीट करता है, पीरियोडिक पैरालिसिस, आइडियोपैथिक इंट्राक्रैनियल हाइपरटेंशन, रेस्ड ब्रेन हाइपरटेंशन क्या होता है? रेस्ड ब्रेन प्रेशर ऑफ द अनक्लियर कॉजेज, एंड हार्ट फेलुअर को भी ट्रीट करता है. कौन ट्रीट करता है? एसिटाजोलामाइड. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 95 क्वेश्चन नंबर. ड्रग विच इज not to include hirsutism as a side effect is A. thallium, B. phenytoin, C. cephalosporin, and D. heparin. Which one answer? The answer is B. phenytoin. ये क्या होता है? इसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या बोलते हैं? PHT. सोल्ड अंडर द ब्रांड नेम जो होता है इसको डायलेटिन अमॉन्ग अदर, या कोई भी होता है. एंड is an anti-seizure medication. ये क्या है? Anti-seizure medication. It is useful for the prevention of a tonic-clonic seizure and the focal seizure, but not absence seizure. The intravenous from the first phenytoin is used for the status epileptic that does not improve with benzodiazepines. Okay. Next is 96 question number. All of the following are used for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease except A. donazepam, B. rivastigmine, C. calamine, and D is salicylic. Which one answer? The answer is G. salicylic. ये क्या होता है? Also known as L-diprenyl, and sold under the brand name of Eldipryl and Emsom amongst other. Is a medication which is used to the treatment of Parkinson disease. ये किस चीज़ को ट्रीटमेंट करता है? पार्किंसन डिजीज को, एंड मेजर डिप्रेसिव डिसऑर्डर्स को भी ट्रीटमेंट करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 97 क्वेश्चन नंबर. Halothon is used as intravenous anesthesia, B is inhalation anesthesia, and C is local anesthesia, and D is none of the above. Which one answer? The answer is B. inhalation anesthesia. ये क्या होता है? Is a nitrous oxide, halothon, isoflurane, disflurane, sevoflurane, most commonly used agent in the practice today, are used for the induction and maintenance of general anesthesia in the operation room. किस में होता है? ऑपरेशन रूम में होता है inhalation anesthesia. Okay. Next is 98 क्वेश्चन नंबर. Zolpidem is used in the treatment of, Zolpidem जो होता है वो किस चीज़ में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए यूज होता है? Dementia, बी पार्किंसन डिजीज, सी हाइप्नोटिक, या डी सीएनएस स्टिमुलेंट के लिए. विच वन आंसर? द आंसर इज सी हाइप्नोटिक. हाइप्नोटिक क्या होता है? इज अ टेस्ट लाइक ए मेंटल स्टेज. ये किस तरह का होता है? मेंटल स्टेज का होता है. इन विच पीपल एक्सपीरियंस इंक्रीज द अटेंशन concentration is a susceptibility, while hypnosis is often described as a sleep like state. It is better expressed as state of the focused attention, heightened susceptibility, and vivid fantasies. That is called hypnosis. Okay. Next is 99 question number. Risperidone is a agonist of following receptor except a D2 receptor, B D1 receptor, C H1 receptor, and D 5HT2 5HT2. Which one answer? The answer is B D1 receptor. ये क्या होता है? D1 सब type of the dopamine receptor. D means dopamine, D1 receptor, that means a dopamine receptor is the most abundant dopamine receptor is the central nervous system. Okay, that is called D1 receptor, dopamine receptor. Okay. Next is 100 question number. Following statements are the tricyclic antidepressant agent are true except a imipramine is non-selective against noradrenaline and 5-HT receptor. B. Venlafaxine is a weak non-selective agonist adrenaline and 5-HT receptor. C. Phenylalanine is selective against noradrenaline, and D. Duloxetine is potent selective against noradrenaline and 5-HT receptor. Which one answer? The answer is D. Duloxetine is potent selective against noradrenaline and 5-HT receptor. Okay. Next, thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe my channel. Okay. तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.